Have you seen those people who scream when they see a tiny spider? Maybe even you? Now imagine your immune system doing that over a prawn. You're just trying to enjoy your lunch, maybe chili prawns, maybe grilled, maybe at a fancy buffet that you overpaid for, and suddenly your immune system starts screaming. There's rashes, swelling, fainting. Meanwhile, someone else at the same table eats the same prawn and their immune system just nods and whispers, "It's fine. We've had this before." That's food allergy versus food tolerance. In food allergy, the immune system mistakes harmless food for danger. In food tolerance, the immune system recognizes that the food is safe and just lets it pass without a fuss. There are tiny molecules called antibodies in our body triggering these reactions. Usually antibodies protect us from viruses and bacteria, but in food allergy, some of them go rogue. Let's call these ones hot red antibodies. These antibodies bind to food proteins called allergens and trigger full-blown reactions. And we have another type. Let's call these ones cooling blue antibodies. These cooling blue antibodies also bind to allergens, but instead of triggering allergy, they block it. They calm things down. Now, let's go back to the prawn on the lunch table. That innocent-looking prawn is a shellfish. And shellfish is one of the most common triggers of food allergy, and it affects millions of people in the world. Diagnosing or testing who is truly allergic and who is not is extremely difficult. That's actually where these hot red antibodies come in. We use it for diagnosis these days. But when I tested in the lab, both shellfish allergic and tolerant people had them. That means these hot red antibodies can't accurately tell us who is truly allergic and who is not. That's when I turn to these cooling blue antibodies. These cooling blue antibodies are not used in diagnosis yet. And when I tested them, they stood out. Cooling blue antibodies were higher in tolerant people. That means tolerant people had more of these blocking forces to keep hot red ones in control or sort of in balance. So instead of just looking at one antibody, testing for both hot red and cooling blue could be the key to an accurate diagnosis. This way, millions of people posing over that prawn on the lunch table could finally get a clear answer whether their immune system will scream with allergy or whisper with tolerance. Thank you.